With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is the electronic configuration of a few elements are listed. First, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Second, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Third is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Fourth is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. And fifth is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. And sixth is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. From the above electronic configuration, predict which one is A, a halogen, B, noble gas element, C, an alkaline earth metal, D, present in group 14, E, a transition metal, F, a member of group 15. So first of all, we'll define, like we have to tell which of these options is belonging to these categories here. So first is given halogen, a halogen. So basically halogen belongs to group 17, right? And the general electronic configuration is ns2np5, where n is the number of shells. So ns2np5, so p shell has 5 electrons. So if we see from the option, so second option is having the same electronic configuration resembling this 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So first option, second is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So this is basically an halogen, right? A halogen. Second is B part is given as a noble gas element. Noble gas element. So noble gas element has electronic configuration of ns2np6. So noble gas belongs to group 18, which is having the electronic configuration, the shells are completely filled, right? So the ns6 here, from here we can see that this fourth configuration is belonging to, and this one fourth is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6, right? Now third is an alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. So this is basically group 12 group 2 elements, group 2 element, and the general electronic configuration is ns2. So if we see from these options here, so the first option is having this electronic configuration 3s2. So first option, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 is the correct answer, correct resembling for the alkaline earth metal. D part is a group present, an element present in group 14. So group 14 is basically carbon family. Group 14 element is carbon family, and the general electronic configuration is ns2 np2. So now from the options given, ns2 and np2 is the third option here. So third option is the group 14 element, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Now E part is a transition metal. A transition metal, a transition metal. So a transition metal has an electronic configuration n-1, d1 to 10, ns1 to 2. So from here, if we see that there is n minus 1 shell is 3d here, right? Because it is entering 4s, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the configuration of a transition metal. So the option is fifth option here, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 and 4s1. The last is a member of group 15 element. Basically it is a nitrogen family group element, nitrogen family, and the electronic configuration general is ns2 np3. So from the given option, the last is the element of group 15, 1s2. So the last option is sixth option, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So these are the required answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.